Hey guys, so it's Katherine, and I'm going to sing Little Bird by Ed Sheeran because he's my love, and I love his songs and his music and everything about him. Anyways, so here's Ed Sheeran, Little Bird. If we take this bird in with its broken leg, we could nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. And when I wake up, your makeup is on my shoulder. And tell me if I lie down, would you stay now and let me hold ya? Oh, but if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird. We take a walk out in the morning dew. We could lay down fall next to you. Come inside for a little homemade tea. If you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, say it's late, love, go back to sleep. I'm covered by nature, and I'm safe now underneath this oak tree with you beside me. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird. And of all these things I'm sure of, I'm not quite certain of your love. You make me scream, and then I make you cry. When I left that little bird with its broken leg to die. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, 'cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird, whoa, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird. Woo! Yeah! Go Ed Sheeran. Well, thanks for watching. No.